G'day, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. It looks like we're at a building site today. Aren't we lucky? And what's that? It's a large orange forklift. The builders in their bright protective clothing are attaching something to the forks. It's a blue lifting eye attachment. It's to help the forklift pick something up. What do you think it will lift today? Can you see the red chain hanging down? They're attaching the chain to a big blue bin full of rubbish. Wow! The bin swings on the chain. The forklift huffs and puffs, slowly lifting the heavy bin. The driver carefully maneuvers the bin above an even bigger skip bin. The arm extends out. And lowers to squash down the rubbish in the skip bin. Now they tilt the bin so all the rubbish falls out. Isn't that smart? The arm then extends out again, and the bin is lowered back on the ground. Crunch. The builder undoes the chain, and off goes the forklift, ready for the next job. Hooroo! Hi everyone, it's Reggie Roo here. We're off to visit a building site today. What's that, boys and girls? That's right, it's a truck. But it's a special type of truck called a grab lorry. A grab lorry is used on building sites to move things. This grab lorry is moving dirt. The arm swings around, the claw opens, and the dirt drops onto the truck. The man is using the controls to move the arm and grab the dirt. Can you see the arm moving? There's a lot of dirt to remove from the building site today. Wow, look at the claw spin around. The driver pats down the dirt. That way, no dirt flies out of the truck when the truck drives off. Crunch, crunch, crunch. He shakes the claw to get all the remaining dirt out. Then he places the arm on top. Now, the grab lorry is ready to drive away. He jumps up into the front to take all the dirt away. They must have picked up a lot of dirt. Do you wish you could grab that much dirt? Look at the big hole left behind. Hooroo! Hi, boys and girls. Reggie Roo here. What stands high above a building site? Has a long boom, a hoist, and a metal wire for lifting and moving things around. It's a crane. The tall crane works like a big arm and hand. It picks things up and puts them down at another part of the site, like these heavy metal poles. They would be too heavy to move without the crane. Down on the ground, here's Andre in his orange jacket and helmet. He is the slinger's signaler. Andre works with the crane operator. He attaches or detaches anything that the crane picks up. This time, he is clipped on a large bin. Watch as the bin goes high in the air. Wow! Up on top, the builders will load the bin with lots of rubbish. The crane towers high above the building. Can you see the cabin? This is where the crane operator sits. Now, here comes the bin. It's been filled with rubbish. Andre directs it in. He clips it up so the rubbish unloads. Do you think a crane would be helpful to clean up your room? Yeah, me too. The bin swings back across and Andre helps place it on the ground. He unclips the wire. And the crane hoists the wire back up, ready for the next job. Hooroo!